Ask away. Ask. Any other question you want to know from me? Anything else? It is in Kolkata. Okay, then you have to write the report again. I cannot help you. And where are you located, Ishika, right now? Jamshedpur. Very good. I never went to Jamshedpur, but I had lived in Ranchi 4 years, 4.5 years. Anything else? Okay. One sometime if I get the chance, I will visit. Anything else? Any other question you want to ask? No, sir. Anybody else? Actually, Amit, when I lived in Ranchi, it was Bihar. At least the first half of my stay. And when I was living in Ranchi, it changed from Bihar to Jharkhand. That time I was in class 11. That when the change happened. 11 years, class 11. Real Bihar. No, I have not had the chance to visit. Great. Sure. If I get the chance, then why not? But let us go back to the subject. Any question related to the subject? Till now, there is no doubt. Very good. Anything else? No problem. No problem. It's okay. Raised hand? Yes, tell me. Paper difficulty? Not very difficult. Listen, we know that you have got how much time, and we will not give you questions which will be very difficult, which will take much calculation. We will run out of time. We don't want that to happen. Yes, Orkot, tell me. You have raised hand. Do you want me to unmute you? Let me unmute you. Yeah, tell me. What happened? Okay, let me think of some problem to give to discuss. Vx. Okay. Hmm. Try this problem. How to approach this? There will be 30 questions, Sam. 30 questions. How to approach this problem? No, 60 marks. Each question will have 2 marks. Apply nodal analysis. Very good. Very good. That's a good approach. Let us tell this is, let us assume this is my uh, V1. This is V2. Okay, that's that. No more. Here the voltage is minus 30 volt. Here the voltage is 0 volt. Okay, here the voltage is plus 10 volt. Here the voltage is minus 2 Vx. Hmm? So what's the first thing we conclude? V2 equal to minus 2 Vx, because at a node the voltage would be same. Then, and what is V1? V1 equal to 30 minus Vx. Is this okay? So V1 equal to 30 minus Vx, sorry, minus 30 minus Vx, sorry, minus 30 minus Vx is negative, minus 30 minus Vx, and V2 equal to minus 2Vx. Now what is this? This is my I. So this will be I minus 0.45 amps. Correct? So what is the voltage drop? This voltage drop Vx is this 16.67 I, and minus 30 minus Vx minus of minus 2Vx, that is 33.33 I minus 0.45 amps, or minus 30 plus Vx, that is 33.33 I minus 33.33 into 0.45. Okay. See here, this is almost from this and this is almost 2Vx. So minus 30 plus Vx, that is 2Vx minus 33.33 times 0.45. I'm sorry, I don't have space, so I have to overwrite. Vx equal to 30 plus minus 30 plus 33.33 times 0.45. So what is that? Calculator. Minus 30 plus 33.33 times 0.45. That is minus 15 volt, which should be the answer. Yes, it is minus 15 volt. Any questions? Okay. Can we apply? Yes, you can. Who is stopping you? Of course you can. Yes, you can do it, mesh analysis. Of course. Yes, yes. And why is this no? No doubts. Sorry, this is so jumbled up because I don't have space. If I want to delete it, the circuit goes. But this is one of the difficulties of online classes. Had I got the board, it would have done much easier. So I think it comes from practice, how to the best way of this. You can solve the problem in thousands of ways. Okay. But you have to find out the most efficient way, and the best way of doing that is through practice. Questions?
স্যার একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল স্যার, আই সাপেক্ষে মানে কমন বেস কনফিগারেশনে আই সাপেক্ষে যে ভি যে গ্রাফটা করব স্যার, স্যার আই প্রতীকের জন্য স্যার প্রত্যেকটা আলাদা আলাদা গ্রাফ কি একটা গ্রাফই মার্চ করব, নাকি তার জন্য প্রত্যেকটা আলাদা আলাদা গ্রাফ দিতে?
আইডিয়ালি একটা আউটপুট ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্সে ডিফারেন্ট আই, চারটে আই এর জন্য গ্রাফ করতে হয়। বইতে যেমন দেওয়া আছে ঠিক সেই রকম। আইডিয়ালি ইজ দ্য কারেক্ট ওয়ে।
তখন স্যার ভার্চুয়ালে যে করেছেন স্যার প্রত্যেকটা
ভার্চুয়ালে এটা কোনো কারণে ওটা পুরোটা দেখাচ্ছে না। তুমি ভ্যালুগুলোকে তুমি নোট করে রাখতে পারো, করে বানাও, প্লট করো।
আচ্ছা স্যার, মানে একটাতেই করতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ, একটা গ্রাফে। ওই যে বইতে যেমন আছে না, বয়সটা বই কেমন দেওয়া আছে ঠিক সেইভাবে চারটে। আর বলো। Anything else or we close? Or we do another problem. We find, can we find any other problem? Anything which you want to discuss? Okay.
Sir, all the question in our ES examination is objective, sir.
Yes, objective. All objective question, MCQs. All MCQ questions will be asked. It's a small problem. I think it will be fun. Okay, make me host again. Okay, make me host. I don't know how much the connection will last, so we can discuss it first. Thanks. Right. Sure. Okay. This is a question. Can you see it? We have to find using the equivalent resistance, not any voltage or current. There is no voltage or no current in the circuit, no batteries, no sources. How to approach? The 3 ohms are in series, and this 5 and this 4, they are also in series, so we can replace them. Wait, let me check. So the 3 ohms, they give rise to 6 ohms series. And this was, where the problem go? 4 and 5, right? Yes, 4 and 5. So there is 9 ohms. Now what? Delta combination 9, 5, 4. And 5 and 4 are in series, but 9, how? Now what? See here. Can you identify these things? Delta. So we can convert to star. If we do, what happens? I forgot the exact formula. So what is the value? Either it will be by 3 or times 3. Which one I forgot? So I get something like this. Sorry for the bad point. I forgot the formula. I don't remember. This 8 will be staying. 4 will be staying. And let me see. Delta has a corresponding star would be by, yeah. So by 3. So this should be 2. So 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms. These are 3 ohms, 3 ohms, 3 ohms. So now these are in series. So it is 13 ohms. These are in series. So this is 6, 9. So be ready for this type of problems. This might come. It's not difficult, but you have to identify what is going on. So our circuit now becomes something like this. This is 2. This is 3, 10, 13. এটা কত ছিল? নিচেরটা 4, right? So 2, 6, 9. And 9 and 13, they combine to give 13 times 9 by 22. So that is 117 by 22. That is 5.3. So total is, so this circuit is 2 ohms, 5.3 ohms, 3 ohms. That is 10.3 ohms is the answer. Okay. Yeah, by 3, right? You're absolutely right. By 3, correct. Okay, this is how to do it. Identify what is going on, which is delta, which is